This is Coronation Day. ASANTE Kotoko, the champions of Ghana football. And today will be the crowning moment for all the hard work, all the glory, all the misery that they've gone in this season. Once again, you're welcome to the YARA Stadium, where we're bringing you action on match day 33. It's the penultimate stage of the Ghana Premier League. And it's ASANTE Kotoko's day today, as they will be crowned officially as Ghana's Premier League champions. This evening, they take on ELIMINA Sharks from ELIMINA, a team that has not done so well. And ironically, it's the first place Kotoko taking on the last place team in the Ghana Premier League, ELIMINA Sharks. And then one reason only. His goals have made Kotoko such a dominant force as Kotoko kick off, playing from right to left. And of course, in their traditional all-red outfit. Gathered nicely by Lamptey through the middle now, where Fabio would operate. Passes one through the middle. Oh, Boateng leaves the ball behind. Last match day of the Ghana Premier League, Tuga gets the ball this time. Richmond laces up one from afar. Good save. Thought they were picking up the pieces, but here Kotoko have a free kick. Oh! Do we need to describe this goal? Sublime skill, exquisite effort.
I mean, he knows how to bend the ball with power and precision. And just look at Nana Amposa. Just look at the technique and the strike. Went for power over the wall, and goalkeeper is not saving that. It's drifted to the top corner. Then the Ghana Football Association president, Kedi Sokreku.
Yes, Sharks have as they come into this. Drilled in from the side against the crossbar. That was close. Fired in nicely.
He got it over the wall excellently well.
It's in the process. And the referee decides that enough is enough. And Sharks get us underway. This time they're playing from right to left.
Trade ball.
The culture Italian trade ball, which is bringing all the professionals, including the current Black Stars. Lovely save by Bar. Lovely bend there. Too many green shirts. It's cleared off the line. Miraculously. And a proud moment to be a faithful follower of the Porcupine Warrior, Fabio. Nicely done towards it. Imbelao! Lovely skill. The Cameroonian connection, we did say.
Brazil to Cameroon. And that was an amazing goal. Over the top of the defenders. The control excellent from the two guys. The finish immaculate.
And he's delivered the cup. It could be 3. It's been a roller coaster of a journey. Imoro switches one deep. Oh, goalkeeper missed it clearly. Oh, and that's the icing on the cake.
For Infege, and no communication between the two. With a masterclass. Just no communication, but what a finish.
Threads a pass through, and referee Daniel Laye says we've had enough. It's 90 minutes for deep into the night fun and excitement.
The coronation moment is just underway. Alaji MND Jawala also here. Start times have been. They're the best away performing team. They've scored the highest number of goals. I'm hoping 28 goals. The CEO Nana Amposa and Kumasi ASANTE Kotoko, Aman Kona, Andrew Sapel, Imoro, who had an amazing game with a wonderful goal. Richmond Lamptey can't help it than to kiss the giant trophy. Patrick Asma, who got sanctioned along the season, is back here to receive his medal. And Fabio Gama, the Brazilian, with his lovely son, receiving the medal as well. Also in crutches. It's now the turn of the champion coach, and Abdul Ganu, the captain for Kumasi ASANTE Kotoko. 250,000 Ghana cedi, I must say. And there, together with the CEO and the Ghana Football Association president, as well as Alaji MND Jawala. together with the Ghana Football Association President Kero Keku, and can you lift up the Ghana Premier League trophy? Fabulous are champions of the Ghana Premier League for 2021-2022. They are the champions, and the golden fleet. The flames are up. Champagne all over. Kumasi ASANTE KOTOKO are the Ghana Premier League champions for 2021 and 2022. They go home, and Coach Prosper Ogu will lift the giant trophy. There, he lifts it up again. It has been an amazing moment for the Porcupine Warriors. This is where we draw the curtains on today's production.
Everybody go! Hey! See! Bad man wanna try me. You wanna come cross my boundary, but I'm protected by the Almighty.